Hello and welcome to your NCS Community Connections. Brought to you by Fairfax County Neighborhood and Community Services and, of course, the talented staff right here at Gum Springs Community Center. My name is Sam Matero. Here's what's happening in Region 1, South Fairfax County. Well, as we all know, flu season is now upon us, and here is your friendly reminder to get your flu shot if need be. The flu vaccine can help protect you and your community, and it's available now to adults ages 18 and up at select senior centers across our region. The service is made possible by the Fairfax County Health Department and Neighborhood and Community Services. For your safety, vaccinations are limited to appointment only, and standard COVID-19 safety protocols will be observed on site. Pneumonia vaccine is also available to those 65 years of age and over, and it must be requested when making your appointment. To make an appointment, give a call to 703-246-6010 or check our website for more information. Visit fairfaxcounty.gov/flu. The Gum Springs Community Center is working with our advisory board to provide a special Safe Night Out event on Friday, October 30th from 5 to 7 p.m. at Gum Springs Community Center. Our staff will be set up with spooky decorations and lights, and we will be ready to provide families with free food and candy and fun for all. This is a grab and go event, and participants are asked to please remember to bring their face coverings, and youth 12 and under must be accompanied by their parents or guardian. Our friends at United Community have asked us to let you know about some news going on with them. Let's talk about the All Ages Read Together program. All Ages Read Together, or AART, is now enrolling children for free preschool classes. AART is a nonprofit organization that provides free preschool classes to low to moderate income preschool-age children in Loudoun and Fairfax counties. AART classes will help your child get ready for kindergarten. So, if your child is 4 to 5 years old and not yet in a preschool, please consider this program, as it can be a great jump start. The United Community AART program will start the year off with in-person classes at an outside location. The United Community Sacramento Center class will be meeting outside at Creekside Community Center. And of course, all necessary safety protocols will be in place. The plan is to meet in an outdoor setting for the first month of classes, after which the program will move to a fully virtual format with the hopes of being able to resume in-person classes in regular locations in the future. Now, if parents are not comfortable with outdoor classes right now, a parent meeting can be scheduled to provide the materials for the child to participate in the class activities virtually. Each student will get their own crayons, markers, scissors, whiteboards, etc., as well as a book each week. Events will be held at Creekside Community Center Tuesdays and Thursdays, 10:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. For more information, to get your questions answered, or to enroll, contact Patricia Aldana at 571-290-1397, or you can send her an email at info@allagesreadtogether.org. And for families in need in our region, we would like to let you know about another free food distribution event that is coming up here in South County. Thursday, October 29th at 12 p.m. That's the date. And the location? The South County Government Center. This is a drive-through event only, and cars should enter through Buckman Road. There are no walk-ups accepted at this event. However, families can expect a 32-pound box of food, including produce, dairy, and meat products. For more information about our regular food delivery programs here in South Fairfax County, and to determine if you qualify for delivery, please contact Maria Franco Nativi at 703-704-6700. since we're on the subject of discussing services in this part of the corridor, let's tell you about the exciting things that are happening at the South County Teen and Senior Center. The South County Teen Center and the South County Senior Center are Fairfax County community facilities located at 8333 Richmond Highway. The center moved earlier this year from the South County Government Building to its new home at the original Mount Vernon building, and staff have been very busy getting it ready for reopening. Please note though, right now, due to the COVID-19 situation, the teen and senior centers are closed to the public, but we are continuing to offer virtual programming through Zoom. We encourage you to check out NCS Connect's website and keep in touch with us on social media for those events. Recently, we had a chance to visit Director Nada Bashir and her team and take a tour of the new facility.
Let me show you. I'm gonna show you the gym first.
My name is William Young. I'm an assistant director here at South County Teen Center. We are right here, the South County 2020 basketball intramurals champions.
I'm gonna give you a quick look at our new and improved senior room. This is it. We have seating capacity for 36.
We bring to you our brand new game room. We are excited about our brand new pool table, ping pong table. We're gonna have a computer area here.
We have 2 treadmills, 2 exercise bikes. This one is more like a go-kart.
Yeah, we're all excited to see you. We wanna see your faces.
That full video tour is available on Fairfax County's YouTube channel and NCS's social media outlets. And as always, we encourage you to check out that full video and do keep in touch with Nada and her staff at the new center for updates on available services and programs. So as you know, this is election season, and while it's critical and we encourage you that you exercise your right to vote, we also want to encourage all members of our community to engage and have their voices heard in other ways as well, especially the youth. Why? Because you are our future. There are a couple special opportunities that we would like to let you know about to have your voices heard in your community. First, we would like to invite you to be a part of the 2020 Virtual Public Safety Roundtable. This 4-part series will be held every Thursday, beginning October 29th from 6 p.m. to 6:45 p.m. Public safety is everyone's responsibility, and staying involved with your supportive community and the police is vital. The Public Safety Roundtable presents an opportunity for the community and police to engage in collaborative discussions that can increase positive outlooks, shift perspectives, increase knowledge, and ensure that every person feels heard and ultimately safe in their community. By working together, we can address problems, we can identify misinformation, and we can find solutions in a best way forward to co-produce public safety in our community. Upon completion of this 4-session series, we will invite anyone 14 to 24 to join in an ongoing discussion with Fairfax County Police Department through their youth and young adult forums. For more on our public safety roundtable sessions, please feel free to contact us at Gum Springs Community Center or check our e-newsletter for Zoom meeting links and full details. That brings us to our next opportunity. Our friends at the Fairfax County Police Department are hosting regular Youth Engagement Council meetings online. These meetings are a great opportunity for youth to help shape the future of our community. Sponsored by Franconia District Station and Fairfax County Police, the Youth Engagement Councils will provide the young people of our community a chance to work directly with police to identify and define problem areas and advise on possible resolutions. MPO Eric Nelson and MPO Marvin Goodley were in the studio at Gum Springs Community Center recently recording a public service announcement for this project, and we got a quick soundbite from MPO Nelson.
Officer, tell us what you got going on.
Hi, I'm MPO Eric Nelson with the Fairfax County Police Department.
What we got on is an opportunity to give you, the youth in the community from ages 14 to 25, the opportunity to have a voice in the community, an opportunity to have your voice heard. I understand everyone makes decisions for you, but no one ever asks you what is your view on what should happen. Since you are the future, I encourage you to become a part of the community, get engaged, enjoy the youth initiative. You can reach me at eric.nelson@fairfaxcounty.gov, and we can discuss more how you can become part of the initiative, become the voice here in the community. Remember, youth, the conversation has to start with you. Thank you.
You can watch their full PSA video on the Fairfax County YouTube channel and catch it on our various NCS social media outlets. And now let's pivot to after-school programs. There's no lack of opportunity for young people to engage in online learning and fun activities in the after-school hours. And we at NCS, of course, have a robust, ongoing virtual programming schedule, as do our partners at the Fairfax County Public Schools after-school programs. Here in South County, the FCPS after-school program at Whitman Middle School began virtually this year. The after-school program offers a variety of activities each week for students to explore online. The program runs 5 days a week with a mix of synchronous and asynchronous activities. Club sponsors post activities in their club's Google Classrooms each week so students can explore some activities on their own. Academic support is also offered Tuesday through Thursday by appointment with students and teachers. Recently, we had a chance to learn more about these programs from Whitman Middle School after-school specialist Chris Tippins.
We develop and implement monitor programs here inside our own school. Kind of a daily walk in the life of myself last year. I think the biggest challenge is students, trying to keep them engaged. Students are having a select amount of screen time throughout each day. And so trying to keep them engaged in some activities that I know would be a little bit more screen time for students. Students have access to their own G Suite webpage that they can access through their student email, and all of our information is posted there and kept up to date and updated regularly.
The complete interview with Mr. Tippins is available on Fairfax County's YouTube channel and NCS's social media outlets. Now, let's move along and talk about the programs and services at the Gum Springs Community Center as we're slowly reopening to our community. Our center hours of operation are still 9 a.m. to 8 p.m., but our workout and weight room and basketball gym usage hours are between 10 a.m. and 7 p.m. by reservation only. Anyone under the age of 18 will not be able to use the workout and weight room at all currently. All ages are welcome to use the basketball gym, but they have to reserve a space as well in order to use it. We encourage all participants to bring their own basketballs and workout mats for sanitary reasons. If a participant doesn't have their own ball, they can request one when they call to make their reservation at our main desk number. That's 703-360-6088. The basketball gym is only allowed to have 4 participants at a time. Basketball games and one-on-one games will not be permitted at this time. The basketball gym can only be used for shooting around and socially distancing games, for example, horse or knockout. Participants 10 years old and younger must be accompanied by a parent for basketball gym usage at all times. Participants 10 to 18 years old must have permission and their reservation in place by their guardian with a liability waiver signed and turned in at the front counter. Participants 18 and under are only allowed into the basketball gym between the time frame of 3 p.m. and 7 p.m. All gym usage is only a 45-minute time frame at a time for any given participant. And of course, our teams across Region 1 are continuing to provide virtual programming and supports through NCS Connect's website and YouTube channel. and our partnership with Fairfax County Public Schools. As we did throughout the summer, our team at NCS is creating new virtual programs Monday through Friday. Our current programs are covering a broad range of topics, including health and wellness, sports, conversation, mentoring, trivia, and STEAM education. For more information, a complete schedule of programming that is being developed by our team here in South County, and links to our Zoom meetings and our Gathering Steam Google Classroom. Visit us at the NCS Connects website and stay tuned for news regarding our phase-in of more in-person programming as that comes along. Thanks so much for watching your Community Connection Region 1 News. I am Sam Matero coming to you from the studios at the Gum Springs Community Center. We'll see you next time.